Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to add extra baggage on Lufthansa. The first thing I'd like you to do is launch your Lufthansa account, which of course I have done right here. The next one is how can you create an account on Lufthansa? Pretty simple. Launch in a browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar type lufthansa.com and that's going to take you into the official website for Lufthansa. Once you get into the website, at the top right corner, follow through the on-screen prompt to create your account, and after signing in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Lufthansa. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's text, and that is how to add extra baggage in Lufthansa. And I'd like you to know that unlike other airlines, you cannot possibly add extra baggage using via check-in on Lufthansa. It means Lufthansa says you must contact the service center to purchase an extra baggage. And how do you do that? So from this homepage, head over to the top right corner of your screen and you're going to see this option that says help. So go ahead and click on help and it takes you here. Easy direct your new help center. So now you have baggage calculator and you have the entry requirements, you have passenger receipt. Okay. And you have the Lufthansa chat assistant. This is what we have been waiting for. So you're going to have to chat with the chat assistant and let them know that you really want to add extra baggage. So go ahead and click on start chat. Once you click on start chat, you're going to see that you'll be welcomed with a welcome message. The welcome message is not coming up now. Okay, it's coming up. So here for my ticket, none of this. So just type, I want to add extra baggage and click on send. So to help you best, I need to know what kind of baggage you need help with. Your regular bags such as checked or carry-on baggage, and there's special baggage like instrument, pet, or sport equipment. So what baggage type would you like to continue? So let's say regular baggage. If it's a special baggage, go ahead and add special baggage. And yeah, all right, to book your additional baggage, please visit our website. You can also give me the related booking, then I can help you find the reason for not being able to book additional baggage. So enter your booking code or your ticket number and you're definitely going to help you with the process. So that's pretty much how you can add extra baggage on Lufthansa. You can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped your search.